Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to recommend a video on TikTok application. So TikTok has recently provided a feature of recommend. It is something like suggestion. Now what you can do is, in case if you like some certain content and you want it to get more share, like and views, so instead of sharing on inbox page one after the another, what you can do is you can simply suggest or recommend on the For You page of all the followers that you have on TikTok application. Now in order to recommend a video, there is no hard process. Now the process is very simple and easy. It will only take a couple of minutes to learn. Now what you have to do is just simply watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now before we start, as usual, make sure that you've updated your TikTok application to the latest version, and also make sure that you're well connected with your internet service. Now one of the issue of the TikTok application is that these kind of feature is only available in certain part of the country, and in some certain part of the country the feature isn't available. Now even I'll show you the alternative method how you can even recommend on TikTok application in case if you don't have the options. So let us get started. So first of all, open your TikTok application. Now here, as you can see that the interface looks something like this, and now this is also known as the For You page. Now in case if you want to recommend it, what you have to do is just simply tap on the share button, which is on the lower right corner right at the bottom. Now as you can see that there is a pop-up window, and right on top, instead of repost, just next to it you'll have a recommendation option. And here, as you can see that I don't have this following option, which means that this particular option is not available in my region. Now in case if you don't have the option, what you can do is just simply tap on the TikTok friends icon. Now from here you have to select to whom you want to share it or whom you want to recommend this video. So just tap on it. You can even share it with more than one person at one time. So after you're done selecting the person to whom you want to recommend it, just tap on send to button, which is right at the bottom. Now here you can see that this following content has been shared with my friends. This is how you can recommend a video on TikTok application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.